Welcome to WTMCARS YouTube channel. WTMCARS. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
2025 The all-new Fiat Fullback Pickup Truck. It is expected that Fiat will bring about a revolution in the market for pickup trucks with the introduction of the highly anticipated 2025 Fullback. The new Fullback, which combines Italian style with challenging capacity, is expected to be a game-changer for people who are interested in both job and adventure. This is because the new Fullback mixes difficult capacity with Italian style. Evolution of design as a process. The exterior of the 2025 Fullback is characterized by its audacity and muscularity, which exudes confidence. This is a really impressive appearance. Having a presence that is instantly recognizable on the road, the car is characterized by its streamlined lines and modern decorations. In addition to being supplied with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology, the interior of the cabin has been built with comfort and usefulness in mind from the perspective of the designer. Efficiency as well as power performance. Due to the fact that it is fitted with hybrid, the Fullback is able to handle challenging terrains and heavy loads because it generates an extraordinary amount of power and torque. In every kind of driving scenario, whether it be navigating off-road roads or confronting the trials of daily commutes, the Fullback performs incredibly well. It is a versatile vehicle that can handle any situation. Cutting-edge and innovative in nature. Innovative technology has been included into the Fiat 2025 Fullback, which allows it to make use of cutting-edge technology. A cutting-edge infotainment system offers a smooth connection to the internet in addition to a multitude of entertainment options, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, improve both safety and convenience throughout the vehicle. An emphasis on long-term sustainability. As part of Fiat's commitment to sustainability, it is predicted that the 2025 Fullback will be outfitted with any ecologically friendly features or technologies. These may include hybrid or electric battery options, enhancements to fuel efficiency, and hybrid or electric battery options. The release of the Fiat Fullback 2025 is predicted to take place in the year 2025. There are a few aspects to consider regarding its availability and cost. In the days leading up to the launch, an announcement will be made clarifying the specifics of the pricing structure.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.